Hi guys, welcome to our channel Home Now. I am architect Pooja Kothari and today we are going to explore outdoor living products. We are at the studio Vistar and we have Akshay Tibriwala who is going to give us a lot of detailing about this product.
Thank you Pooja for that lovely introduction. We at Studio Vistar offer a range of outdoor living systems. These are gazebos or pergolas as generally known as, with a smart roofing solution. We have louvered roofing or retractable fabric roofing which can be operated. You can open, close. The biggest advantage of this system is, number one, it gives you a very high-end luxury feel. Number two, if the weather is nice, you can just open it out, sit under the sun. If it is rainy or if the weather is not so nice, you can always close it off and still enjoy the outdoor space.
Okay, so that was an overview, but what is this system exactly that we see here?
So this is a complete aluminium structure made for outdoor application, so that it can withstand all sorts of elements, any sort of dust, rain, wind. The system can withstand wind speeds up to 120 kilometers per hour.
Oh wow.
Which is, even in case of a heavy cyclone, you don't have to worry about the system getting spoiled for some reason. Because it is functional, it is a smart roofing system. It operates on its own in case of inclemental weather.
So Akshay, how does this system really protect itself?
So the first thing is we provide a very high grade of powder coating on the aluminium that we are giving. There is no GI or MS that is provided within the system. Everything is either aluminium, stainless steel or extruded PVC. The powder coating that we are giving is a 60 micron powder coating with a 10-year warranty on the powder coating. The advantage of the system is that because it is meant for outdoors and it is a powder coated system, there is no chance of rusting or any sort of deterioration in the structure of the system for a very long period of time. We expect the system to work for at least 20 years of period because of pure aluminium and powder coated surface finish. The other thing is that we can give you any color that you want. We have a standard range of almost about 100 shades. Apart from that, if the client wants his specific color to be given, we can do that as well. So it is completely customized as per the customer requirement. So the other factor is that there is an integrated drain channel into the system. With the first drop of rain, the system will close on its own. The advantage of something like this is that because of the rain sensor that is provided along with the system, once the rain starts, the louvers will close themselves. You don't need to go rushing looking for the remote to manually close the system and then be worried about what you have left underneath the pergola. What if it gets damaged? What if it gets spoiled by the rain? Because it is closing itself, any water that is falling on the system is channeled through the integrated water drain channels and then brought down through the pillars and connected to a drain system.
Oh wow, that's very interesting. So that works on a sensor basis, I assume?
Yes, so there's a rain sensor, and in certain installation types we also provide a wind sensor, so that in case of heavy winds, the louvers will close themselves to protect from the wind factor as well.
Okay. So that's about the outer shell, where I see a lot of components like these louvers and a blind which is behind. So what are these components
So
about?
essentially, when we are installing something on the outdoor, and it is basically because these are luxury product ranges, what happens is a lot of times client wants that functionality that they should be able to use the system irrespective of the weather. So that's why we have different options for side coverings. We can give you a blind, as you see over here, which can come down and protect you from rain or from insects during the evening times, or you could have a louvered panel on the side wherein you can close it in case of privacy issues. In these louvers we have fixed louvers, we also have operable louvers, so these louvers can also close. So suppose you have a neighbor's house from where privacy could be an issue, so you can close the louvers in the evening times or whenever you want privacy. Also, we can integrate lighting into the structure either in the blades or in the beams or even in the pillars. So we have everything. You think of a product for an outdoor and we have a solution for that. We can give you Bluetooth speakers integrated. So you want to create a mood lighting with, play nice music during the evening when you're sitting outside, enjoying your drink or a cup of coffee or just having a chat with your friends. So you can create a mood lighting, you can play music through the entire system. Just install it, enjoy your outdoors, enjoy your family or friends. That's what the product does.
Awesome. So when you mentioned about the roof covering, I know that's protecting and that's sensor based. Do we have something like that even for the sides?
When you're putting a blind, that definitely can also be connected to the sensors, but not with any of the louver panels. They have to be operated manually only.
Okay, got it. And with respect to how the entire system is going to be anchored to the ground?
There's a base plate that comes. It's again an extruded aluminum base plate. We give the technical specifications before the installation to the architect or to the civil contractor, how we want the anchoring to be done. They provide us the basic pedestal or the support that is required, and then we come and fix it. Again, that is one more factor that nothing is visible. As you can see, neither is the base plate visible. It's all hidden inside. There are no screws, there are no fittings and fixtures that can be seen outside. So similarly, when we are anchoring the pillars, we ensure that everything is anchored within the pillar space and is a strong anchoring on the floor. In case of high-rise installations, we also ensure that it is a chemical anchoring so that it adds to the structural stability of the system.
Okay, so when you said none of the fittings or the hardware is visible, what I understand is if there was a ground level and if this is bang on the grass, even then we can install it, or do you necessarily need a rise?
In case of a garden installation, we would need a sort of a pedestal created that could either be raised from the grass level, or we can just dig up the earth, pour concrete inside and then anchor it onto that portion.
Okay, so basically you will need a zero level at any given point.
Exactly,
for
yes.
Installation.
Yes.
Okay, interesting. And what about the clear spans that you can go with these sort of roofing systems, whether you can have cantilevers or whether you can have continuous clear spans for a length?
So there are different options for installation. Like as you see here, we have it on 4 pillars, which we call as a freestanding installation. When we are talking of freestanding installation, we can go 4.5 meters or in feet 15 feet as a single width of the system, and 6 meters or 20 feet again from pillar to pillar. So that's a large space that you can cover with a single system. Suppose you have larger spans that you need to cover, then we can always couple the units and cover the space.
Okay, got it.
Similarly, as you asked for the cantilevered installation, we can also give you systems wherein we can partially install the system on the wall and then give only the frontal pillars, or if we are getting 2 sides wall support, then we can do it without the pillars also.
Okay, lovely. And this is suitable on any height, like say, because you mentioned a high rise, so
yeah, we've done installations even on 25th floor, 30th floor, that sort of levels. We have an installation at about 100 meters height from the ground, which is withstanding all sorts of wind pressures also. So installation at a height or at any sort of high-rise installations is not a problem for us. That's why when we are very confident of the product, the brand that we are representing does a lot of R&D on the product, and only after they've done a certain level of testing, they give a guarantee. So when we are saying 120 kilometers per hour wind speeds, they have tested it, ensured that the system can withstand those kind of elemental pressures, and then they launch out the product into the market.
So you mentioned that you're working with a brand now. What about the maintenance and the repairs? Because this is not an Indian brand.
So
how is the servicing going to be?
So Rensen is a Belgian company, one of the market leaders in this product category, and very strict about their policies in terms of appointing dealers or appointing people who can sell their product. So the first criteria for anybody to be associated with the brand we have to understand the product, we have to learn the product at their factory. So our team has been there, they have been trained by Renson on how to do installations, how to take care of servicing, how to ensure any sort of troubleshooting that might come over a period of time. So our team is fully trained by the brand, is aware of how to handle the system, how to take measurements, how to install the system, how to service the system over a period of time. And time to time we do retraining ourselves because they keep upgrading their products. So that is the other advantage. Essentially, in terms of after sales service, for every installation or every client, we make sure that every 6 months our person is going to the site, doing a preventive check of the system. This essentially helps in ensuring that the system doesn't have any sort of malfunctioning. There are no dust or any other sort of elements that are affecting the operative parts of the product. So once in 6 months our team goes, and it is part of our service contract, and the product comes with a 5 years warranty on the entire system. During that 5-year warranty period, irrespective of whether there is a problem or not, our team will go on a 6 monthly basis to the site. They will do a preventive check, any sort of oiling, any sort of electrical issues which they feel could cause a problem is attended to as a servicing in advance, to ensure that the customer does not have to face any problems.
Okay. And with respect to your serviceability, so are you just restricted to servicing or giving your products in Karnataka or Bangalore, or you take care of other areas?
See, technically speaking, we are for Karnataka, but we've done projects in the entire South India. We've done a couple of projects in Hyderabad, we've done a couple of projects in Tamil Nadu. So we do projects across South India for these product range.
Okay, and what about the budget that we are looking at for these systems?
So these are very high-end products, high quality, high value. We're generally talking of a minimum price range of about 10 lakh rupees for one system. Unfortunately, we don't have a square foot pricing because it's a highly customizable product. So we generally tell customers that look at it as a conceptual price, wherein you're giving me a size, you're giving me the composition of the entire system that you're looking at, whether you want blinds on one side or you want it on all 4 sides, you want the panels, you want the lights. Depending on the entire combination is what we can give you a pricing for.
Okay, and how customizable is everything? Because you mentioned it's a customized product.
First thing is the size, that is customizable. Then the finish, the color, that is customizable. What you want within the system, as in the blinds, or you want the louvered panels, or you want lighting, you want Bluetooth speakers, everything is customizable. There is a whole basket of options that we have, and we generally sit down with the client, understand what their need is, understand the space. See, a client might need something, but the space may not support that. So we understand that and accordingly recommend what is the right product that suits them, both in terms of application, aesthetics, and functionality that the client is looking for.
Okay, and one more thing that I'm very curious about is because again, this is not an Indian product. Is every part of this imported, or do you have some parts being made in India as well?
No, this is a 100% imported system.
Okay.
It comes down as a ready knockdown kit, which is reassembled on site by our technicians. In terms of serviceability, we are confident that you are not going to face any problems, and it goes by what we've done. As of now, our oldest installation is almost about 6 years, and we've not had any issues on site. Also, in case something is there, the company is very quick in terms of making sure that any sort of spares, if required, are sent. But we generally keep certain set of spares with us, the ones we know we should have for a quick servicing.
Okay, and just out of the box question, is there an Indian brand for such products? How competitive are these?
So there are a couple of competing brands available. Couple of them are Indian, couple of them are imported from Europe and China. So like every other product, we have a lot of competition in this range as well. But then like what we love to tell our clients, that when you go out in the market and you need a vehicle to move from point A to point B, you can go and buy a scooter, you can buy a small hatchback, or you could go and buy a luxury sedan. So it depends on what you want, and we fall within the luxury sedan category.
Absolutely. So that's a very interesting take on the entire product and the last question, of course. Love how you can customize every component of this product and make it very personalized for yourself. So guys, this was about the outdoor living product, and if you have any questions related to this product or any other outdoor living systems, please do write to us, mail to us, or you can put your comments on the comment section. If you've liked the content, please do share it with your friends and family so they could benefit with this, and please do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.